Hello, students. Fine morning, you all. I believe you all fit as a fiddle. Today, we are going to learn a new topic from third unit poem. Title is On Killing a Tree. The author name is Jeev Patel. What is the title? On Killing a Tree. Who's the author of this poem? Jeev Patel. Please learn the spelling properly. Let's quickly take a look at the author. About the author, Dr. Jeev Patel is one of the prominent Indian poets. One of the prominent Indian poets. See, prominent meaning very important. Okay, prominent meaning very important. Indian poets. In Indian poets, among them this Jeev Patel is important one. Clear? Then his famous works include Evening Forensic Medicine and From Bombay Central. These are his famous works. What are the famous works? Evening Forensic Medicine and From Bombay Central. These are whose famous works? Jeev Patel. He has also penned 3 plays. Plays meaning drama. Okay. He has written 3 plays. Penned meaning written. Okay. Written 3 dramas. He has been conducting a poetry workshop in Rishi Valley School. He had conducted, okay. What is poetry workshop? Where, which school? Rishi Valley School for more than a decade. See, here decade. A decade meaning 10 years. 2 decade, 20 years. 3 decade, 30 years. Clear? So, how many decade he has been working? A decade, which means 10 years. Okay. So, he has been conducting what he was conducting? Poetry workshop. In which school? Rishi Valley School. For more than a decade. 10 years. Okay. More than 10 years. This poem is taken from his poetry collection. He published a book named Poems. Okay. In that book contained collection of poems. From that, this poem On Killing a Tree given for us. Clear? This poem is taken from his poetry collection, Poems. Okay, poetry collection. This book is published in the year of 1966. Fine. So, please read this. Dr. Jeev Patel is one of the prominent Indian poets. See, just look at this. One of the prominent Indian poets. Lot of Indian poets were. In that, one refers to this Jeev Patel. Okay, following this one, the subject should be in plural form. Okay, his famous works include Evening Forensic Medicine and From Bombay Central. So, how many plays has penned down? 3 plays. Okay, plays meaning drama. He was conducting poetry workshop. In which school? Rishi Valley School. How many decade? A decade. A decade means 10 years. Okay. This poem is taken from his poetry collection named Poem. That book name is Poems, which was published in 1966. Clear? Then take a look at the glossary. Jab. Jab meaning to poke or thrust abruptly. Abruptly, quickly. With a short, quick blow. Cutting down the tree. Okay. Simple jab. Jab, one strike or quick blow. One blow. With that, we cannot kill a tree, right? We cannot cut down a tree just by single strike. That is what. To poke or thrust abruptly with a shot or quick blow. Any one word you can write. Crust. Crust meaning the brown hard outer portion of surface. crust, that means surface of the land, okay, hard surface of the land or soil, fine, hard outer portion of the surface. Then leprous, leprous covered with scales. See, scales meaning discolored bark. What is bark? Outer layer of the tree, that is bark, right? It is hard enough, right? The scales, discolored bark. So leprous, covered with scales, covered with bark, okay, hard, thick, discolored bark, that is leprous. Uneven, okay. Then hide, the strong thick outer skin. Hide meaning, don't take it as verb form, hide, hid, hidden, not that. Here hide meaning the strong thick outer skin, the tree's outer layer, that bark, okay. Bark is, other word for bark is hide here. Then miniature, miniature meaning very small, very very small, small plant or branches, very small, clear? So please memorize, learn this words: jab, crust, leprous, hide, miniature. Okay, leprous, another one meaning is, some people has leprous disease. It's a kind of disease, okay. Their body also full of wound and their skin and all very hard, rough and uneven. So here they don't mention the disease, here they mention the outer layer of the tree, okay, the bark, scale of bark, which means discolored of bark, clear? So please learn it. Crust meaning, what is? Hard outer portion of the surface, land or land, okay, brown and hard area, okay, surface. Then see here, first two stanzas are memory poem for you, so you need to learn that by heart it, okay. Then warm up. What is a tree? I hope you all know tree. Can you see the picture at the side? Yeah, tree has branches. Then why trees are important for our survival? Yes, why? You can give the answer. Why it is important? It gives air, oxygen for us, right? Not only that, food we are getting, right? If then rain, many purposes are there. Then how long does it take a tree to grow to its full size? Can you have you seen anywhere tree grows in full size within 1 week or within 2 days? No, it takes a long years, right? Countless years to grow in its full size, right? Then how much time does it take to cut down a tree? Yes, cut down a tree. See, cutting down a tree is not quite easy in those days, olden days. That was very hard, okay. But now, we have modern tools and all. So within 5 minutes can cut down the tree and chop it down, chop into pieces, right? But olden days, were not like this, clear? See, this is sprout, right? How do you kill this plant? Just you uproot it, right? When you uproot it, then only it die. Unless it never die, right? Slowly it sprout out the outer layer of the surface. See, the outer layer is very hard, right? So from this it slowly comes out, slowly sprout. Within a day it never get its full size. Slowly it takes years, right? Then see, it grows like this big trees. In the olden days, they use like this tools, axe, saw, kind of many tools they use to cut down. You cannot kill a tree just a single blow. This is what jab. With this axe, if you give one strike, can you kill the tree? No, it never died, right? That is what. All those days, it took more than 3, 4, 5, 1 week also they take to cut down the tree slowly. This human being only, they jab the tree continuously. Okay, it takes days. Then slowly they cut down. Then branches also. Then they chop into many pieces. To chop many pieces, it takes that much days. Clear? Then see this tool. This is saw. SAW. Okay, this tool's name is saw. In those days, like this, two people sit both sides and they chop this tree. Okay, cut down slowly with axe and like this tools. Then they chop it into pieces. It is very painful for human as well as this tree also. Okay, actually here they says killing a tree is similar to killing a human. We are not supposed to kill a tree. That is what it says. Okay, then see, chopping down, cut down into pieces and they take it. But look at this bark, trunk. That where is its root is still there. If you are just chopping it down, can you kill a tree? Never. You cannot kill a tree like this. See, from that it is sprout. Then over a period it reach its size. Okay, it grows and it reach its full size. Okay, see this tool, this is the modern tool for cutting down the tree. See, using this tool, within 5 minutes, no need even 5 minutes, within that they can cut down the tree, chop it pieces. But olden days it took a week even. Understand? Then, so if you are just cutting the tree like this and leave it, definitely the tree never dies, right? It is sprout from there. Fine? That is what. Then if you want to kill a tree, what do you want to do? You have to uproot it. Uproot that root, everything you have to pull it out. Unless you pull it out, the tree never dies. Definitely it grows from where you cut, right? That is what. If you want to kill a tree, you need to uproot it. So just to think about it, the trees, it took long years, countless years to reach its full size. Then within 5 minutes we are cutting down. It is very harmful, right? We are not supposed to do this. Clear? Then this is the bark of the tree, outer layer of the tree. See, this is very hard, right? This outer layer is very hard. This is called leprous hide. Okay, uneven. It is not polished, right? It is uneven. If you touch the tree near your house, if you have such trees, you just touch the tree, okay, you can feel that hardness of the bark. So leprous hide, leprous, this is the hardness of this bark. Clear? Then, so this is the way of killing the tree. Okay, then if you cut down the tree, it never, simply if you cut any branches or trunk, it never die. Sap may ooze, like, see, for example, if we cut our finger or if you cut your skin somewhere, what will happen? Blood will ooze. After a period, see, after 2-3 days, automatically it heal. The wound would heal, right? Similarly, this tree also like that. It grows from there. Then if you just leave that, definitely it reaches its full height. Understand? Then modern tools using the current, okay, they cut down the tree within 2 minutes. Like this, they chop it and take it away. though it never die. See, the root is, what is, its root is under this, tangled under the soil. So it never die, and we cannot kill the tree like this, simply chopping. Clear? Then this tool name is saw, SAW. Okay, two people just they drag it, by that they cut down the tree. Fine. Then let's get to the poem. It takes much time to kill a tree. Not a simple jab of the knife will do it. Yes, definitely killing a tree, it takes much time. Simply a strike, a single strike or single blow never kill a tree. Okay, will do it. It has grown slowly, consuming the earth, rising out of it, feeding upon its crust, absorbing years of sunlight, air, water, and out of its leprous hide sprouting leaves. See, I told you already, this leprous hide, if we cut down this tree, from that part, that hard portion, okay, leprous hide, that uneven portion, from there slowly it sprout. Okay, leaves, everything sprout. Then to grow a tree, what are the things necessary? Of course, sunlight, air, water, right? Then all the minerals, nutritions, everything it take from the surface. Okay, this land, soil, the root also absorb all the minerals, then nutritions, everything it takes from under the ground. Then it gets sunlight, air, water, everything, right? With that, it never grow overnight. It takes countless years, many years, right? That's what says here. It takes much time to kill a tree, but killing a tree within minute or within 1 week we can, but letting it grow, just to think about when it when it reaches its full size, definitely it takes long years, right? Not a simple jab of knife will do it. It has grown slowly. It takes many years, consuming the earth, that nutrients, right? Everything it takes from the surface. How the baby grow? Similarly, okay. Within 2-3 months, does it grow? No, right? Slowly started to creep, then walk, then run, jump, like that. Similarly, the tree also. Okay, slowly consuming the earth. From that, all the energies it's a take. Okay, nutrients, minerals, sunlight, everything. Oh, then rising out of it, slowly it's come out from this hard surface. Okay, land. Then feeding upon its crust. Yes, it's taking whatever it's need, taking from this earth, right? Then absorbing years of sunlight, countless years, it's absorbing sunlight, then air, water, and out of its leprous hide sprouting leaves. See, if you see this picture itself, look at this branches. Slowly out of this leprous hide, this branches also would be very hard, right? From that sprouting new branches. Can you see this? That is what slowly, then only it become a full size, attain full size and big tree. So slowly from this trunk, branches, from the branch also small branches sprout. Okay, sprouting leaves. Clear? That is what says first stanza. Please, you need to memorize this stanza. Read this 5 times, more than 5 times, and learn this hard words and memorize it. Okay, it is a free verse. It has no poetic rhyming words or poetic device. Okay, it is just a free verse. Clear? So once again read. It takes much time to kill a tree. Not a simple jab of the knife will do it. It has grown slowly, consuming the earth, rising out of it, feeding upon its crust, absorbing years of sunlight, air, water, and out of its leprous hide sprouting leaves. Punctuation and all, please use it properly. Okay, learn it and write this. Okay, thank you. Meet you in next class.